Okay guys, welcome back to Str8yadd TV. Today I have something special for you guys. I'm gonna show you ingredients that is so nice. I'm gonna cook something, I'm gonna cook it in a different type of way from most people do it. Okay? So here I have some chicken gizzard. Okay, and this is like 2 pounds. Okay? I have some green banana here. And this is all the ingredients I'm gonna use, guys, to get it the way I want it, okay? So, you know about boiled banana and liver, okay? And all these things. I'm gonna teach you a new way to make chicken gizzard with banana in one pot, guys. So stay tuned and watch that video. This one is gonna so nice. Stick and stay. I'm gonna clean up the gizzard, guys. I'm gonna go through them. I'm gonna wash them off with my lime. If you have my lime here, I'm gonna get them clean. You don't have to run through my meat. No matter what I'm cooking, I have to clean them myself. So I'm gonna clean them up, wash them off nicely, and when I'm seasoning, I'll get right back to you guys. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is the chicken gizzard, nice and clean, properly washed with my vinegar. And guys, when you're cleaning them, you gotta make sure check these spots and clean them yourself, because some of them sometimes they came and they're not clean properly. You gotta make sure to peel off those stuff off it, okay? So you have to run through your meat. That's why I say you have to clean your meat all the time when you buy it from the store, and clean it properly before you cook. Okay, so now we're gonna season it. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to season it. Not much seasoning. You know how it go already. I don't like to use a lot of all kind of different seasoning. I just stick to my seasoning that I like, guys. So, but these seasons are the good season, guys. Okay? You have these type of seasoning, you can't go wrong. Okay? But you can use whatever you like. Do it this way, trust me. I'm gonna keep on doing it. Gonna always want to eat some chicken gizzard. This type of way. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Little I'm complete. Just a little bit, you know, guys, not a lot. Don't bake it. Just flavor we're cooking for here. Flavors. We're not cooking for salt. We're cooking for flavors. Something nice and sweet on the palate. Grind a little black pepper. And that's basically it. No more seasoning, guys. Not even salt I'm not putting in this. Because most of these seasons already have sodium, already have salt, so I don't need no salt in it. See? All I'm gonna do is just mix them in. Mix them in. See? That is it. Now, I'm gonna go in with that piece of scotchy, onion, green onion, some people call it scallions. We generally call it scallion from the Caribbean. Tomato. Piece of blue onion. Not gonna use all of that. Piece of sweet pepper. And I'm gonna use these 2 carrots, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna come right back to you guys. Okay, my beautiful people and my subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and season it up for you guys now. So, piece of garlic, nice bag of garlic. No, I don't do without my scotchy. I can't use so much, you know, guys. It's really hot. So, just a little piece for flavor, not for something that burn them out. They go like, I have to eat with flavor. Okay. If you like pepper like that, go for it. Some thyme. I'm gonna go ahead and put in half a white onion because I'm gonna use another piece of red onion. Quick and fast something, this guys. It's an easy, quick and fast recipe. Nice menu. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. But nice menu, exactly for, especially for breakfast, trust me. Nice. And guys, if you're not good with the knife, I always tell you, use a cutting board. Green onion. Sweet pepper. Going with a nice little piece of tomato. Know it go. One tomato, guys. I'm using the whole complete tomato. I don't like to cut tomato and put them down. I like to use them just right away. All of it. Okay. Right. Going with a 1 carrot. And 2 little carrots we have here. Going with some carrot, you know it go already. Right. Next piece of garlic here. 2 pegs of garlic in total. Now it go already. Alright, so all we're gonna do now is add some browning. And we're gonna sit him down and let him marinate for a little bit before we start the cooking process. Because you know our food has to soak with flavors before we cook. We just don't season same time and cook same time. We put it down for flavor to build, man, and meat to soak. Get good flavors. Not too much browning, guys, because you're not cooking a black meat. Mix it in. Browning is not something, guys, that you can play with, because if you don't know to use browning, you will come out with a black meat. And it's not tasteable too when you have the browning too much. It tastes a little bit bitter. So you gotta know how to use browning. And you also can add the browning in the pot. But this one now is give it the flavor in the meat. So like a half teaspoon of browning. To a spoon. That is good. You don't need more than that. Because I'm gonna add a little bit more. That's what I'm telling you guys. Like a teaspoon of browning. You don't need more than that. I need mine to have a little bit better color, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Because it's in the refrigerator, guys, it's take long to come down. But it's coming. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. This is the color I'm looking for. Nice and brown. Not black. See, guys, that's the color of the meat? Yeah, that's the color I want. No, nothing black. Anytime you see you have a black meat seasoning, not gonna be good. I'm telling you that. That's gonna be bitter. So guys, I'm gonna cover it up, let it sit for like a 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you how I'm gonna cook this bad boy with the banana. It's gonna be so nice. So stay tuned, watch the video. And remember, guys, to like, comment, and share. And always tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yadd in the kitchen. In the kitchen we're there today. Okay, my beautiful people, I'm gonna show you how to cook this chicken gizzard, this new style. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to my pan. Let it get hot and get warm. Yeah, a little bit of oil to my pan, just a little bit. Yeah. Let them get warm up. Then we're gonna add the chicken gizzard and we're gonna start the cooking process. So stay tuned, watch the video. In a little piece of garlic in it now. Right away. But hot. Yeah, good. Chicken. Put in some garlic. And people, see me? See? Nice and seasoned. Soak. Okay? So I'm gonna sit him down for like 30 minutes. See me? So pot is hot now, oil is hot. Cover up the pot. Turn down the fire up on medium. Okay, my people. So let's check out this chicken gizzard. Got them pretty and nice, my people. See them? Yeah, now come along. Coming on perfecto. Perfect. What I'm gonna do? I got a little ginger to him now, my peeps. Cut up one couple of ginger in him like that, make it go on. You know it good. Some flavor, you know. That's put in now, so. And with that tough texture meat, guys, so we got to take the time and cook it. Adding a little bit water by a little. Not by a little, because right now I still don't add no water yet, but if you have it on a high fire, you would have to. But I have it on a low. So I built enough juice that's very hot right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little bit more boiling water. Stop the fire on it now, let it get to where I want it. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now we're gonna cover him up. The fire a little bit more. And let him go and do his thing. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. Guys, we still have the banana to add to the pot. This pot is just slowly cooking, slowly cooking. This type of meat, you have to know how to cook it. If you don't know how to cook it, you end up with a tough chewing meat. Okay, so stay tuned. Watch the video. Okay, my peeps. So what I'm doing, putting a little ketchup in the pot. Season up the pot now. Give it some flavor. Turn up the flavor now. And remember, we still have the banana to add to the pot, you know, guys. So stay tuned for that part. Season them up. Make him taste how we want him taste. And you know how it go, you know. So him get rich. Yeah. That's what we're talking about. So the color, my peeps. Yeah. Just a little browning I put in it. That's it. A little ketchup. Add a little sabuta now. We'll touch him now a little bit more. Build some more flavor. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start peel up the banana them. We're gonna ready to add the banana. Stay tuned for that part. You're gonna see it turn out, guys. It's gonna be so nice. Yeah, look at it, guys. Soft and nice. See them? Get in there. See them, eh? Yeah. It's some of the best chicken gizzard you're ever gonna eat. Guys, I'm gonna try it back home. Okay, my people. This is the green banana. We're gonna peel them, get them cut up, and we come right back. Cause you know how it go already to the pot, yeah? I kick up nice now, my people, and come to where I want it. So I'm gonna add these things. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned, watch the video. Okay, my people. Here is the bananas. I'll wash them clean, peel already. So what I'm gonna do, cut them like that in 3 pieces. Okay, guys? Cut them however you want it to. Follow this style, can't run. Okay, guys? That is it. What we are gonna do, see there? Water going nice. Yeah. See, add a little bit more water, guys, because I'm gonna put the banana now, so I have to get the water up more, so to cook it right back down to gravy. So what we're doing, put it in the banana, guys. Put it in the bananas in the pot. Put the banana in the pot. That's what I talk about. See that? Yeah. You know how this go when it cook down, you know, guys. When this come right back down, you know how it go. All these iron plus this gravy. Oh, I'm gonna put something else, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, my people. So I'm gonna add some onions from my leaves, what I've leaves from what season and leaf. I'm gonna add the rest of them. Season him up now, give him some more flavor in the banana. Some onion, red onion. Some thyme. Some scallion or green onion. Okay guys, so you know all that seasoning. Yeah. Season him up now guys, give him some flavor. Yeah. This is what we're talking about. So I want you to stay tuned and watch this one. It's so good guys. And of course you can put any amount you want to put by stepping up the ingredients. You could have even put right now, you could have put like almost 3 more fingers in it if you're cooking for a big family. Or say 5 more fingers if you want. But I'm only doing 6 fingers guys. So watch the video and stay tuned. Let the fire do the work. One Str8yadd TV, up and running. And remember guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Welcome to the channel. We love you over here. Okay guys, listen what happened. We're on the finished journey of this part now, okay? The part is come to a final part. So, here we go. See how it's nice and juicy? That's it. I'm gonna share out some guys, I'm gonna eat some for you. So the gravy is rich guys. That's what I'm talking about. These are the chicken gizzards guys. You know them chicken gizzards nice? Okay guys, you saw it? Nice and rich. This is what we're talking about. Go ahead. Test it out guys. Okay guys, so right now, I'm gonna taste it out for you guys. You know it's soft and juicy already. See? Very soft. Fork is flying through it. And the banana is perfectly cooked guys, see? Well soft. This has a rich and a nice flavor guys. Wow. This is what I'm talking about guys. You guys need to try it like this. You guys really need to try it like this, trust me. You won't miss out guys, you won't miss out. This is a lot of iron here. Full of flavor. That's what we're talking about guys. Nice and rich. Soft and juicy. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. One love guys. Peace out. I'm gonna dig into this. I'm gonna finish it up guys. So nice. These chicken gizzards are so tasty guys. The way I cook it guys, there's no game in it. Nice and soft and juicy. The bananas are so perfect. Yes my people, try it back home. Not gonna regret it.